Hello everyone, this is Maximo Magbuo. I am proud that I've been a part of this 28th batch managerial schooling. I would like to say thank you to Sir Max for his non-tiring lecture to us. Thank you Sir Max and MMM for this pre-financial literacy. You made me open my eyes that were in the world of inequality. Thank you so much for giving me this kind of opportunity to learn more about our MMM community. Rest assured that I will be a good guider and I will do my best to support and participate honestly to our MMM community. Thank you, Mr. Sergi Mabrudi, for introducing us this MMM community. Thank you, Sir Max, and thank you, my batchmate.